Okay, so this is my Tech 3022 3-minute reflexive video for Component C, Social Media Group Project. I'm going to quickly go through some of the things that I've learned and that I'm going to be reflecting on. So one thing that I have learned during the process of this particular module is about talking to social media users and about how they interact and how they create media, and the interaction that they create is very, very useful to the brand or the piece of media itself, because they're the people that give value to that piece of media. For example, a picture that is posted that doesn't have any interaction, or it doesn't have any value in the social world, it has no social currency. And a picture that is posted and then has several people interacting, commenting and liking on that, then has a much greater value, even if from an individual perspective it doesn't seem to have much artistic or academic value. So another thing that I learnt was that social media can be very broad, and at the same time it can be very specific. So using an example of influencers, where you have both nano influencers, people with less than 10,000 followers, can be influential, as well as people with hundreds and thousands and millions of followers. And the people who, the nano influencers that only have, say, 10,000 followers, can be more influential to a brand than someone with 100,000 followers, because the way that I've incorporated that as part of my coursework is to use the example of, if I'm trying to target people in a specific area, for example Leicester, then I would want to target people with 10,000 followers, because the population of Leicester is only 30,000 people, and so to try and appeal to more people than that would be ridiculous, because I'm not targeting my target audience. Another thing that I would say I've learned is that interaction shapes how social media works. If people don't interact with things, then things don't work. If people don't talk and communicate as a community on social media, then there's no point in that social media. It's very similar to my point before about interaction giving value to media, whereas this case, this is interaction sums up social media.